Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lock model and opening the manufacturer app. This matters because different models use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Install fresh AA batteries and verify polarity. Weak power causes pairing failures. Once done, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on your phone and create or log into the app account. Make sure the lock is within 3 m of your phone during initial pairing. This reduces dropouts and speeds discovery, so begin the pairing sequence in the app now. You follow the app prompts. Select your device type, grant Bluetooth and location permissions, then press the lock's pairing button, hold until indicator flashes. Next, loosely mount the interior assembly and test the thumb turn manually to ensure no binding. This prevents misalignment after pairing. If the app offers a firmware update, accept it and keep your phone and batteries powered. Updates finalize features and fix bugs. After successful pairing, tighten screws while repeatedly operating the lock to confirm smooth motion. You now configure users and preferences, add admin and guest codes, enable auto lock timing, and set schedules so the lock behaves predictably. Then test remote access and any voice assistant integrations. Make sure cloud status shows online. If something goes wrong, try a simple reboot. Remove batteries for 10 seconds and reinsert and reattempt pairing. Also check for Wi-Fi interference, distance limits, or low battery warnings. If persistent, reset to factory and repair, but only after saving account details to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.